So guys, for the first step, once you're on Steam, you want to click on Steam in the top left. Now you want to click on Settings. And now once you're on the Steam settings, on the left hand side, you want to click on Storage. Now once you're on the Storage tab, you want to click on the drop down. Now you want to click on Add Drive. And now you want to click on the drop down again. If you have another drive, you could either select your other drive, or you can click on Let me choose another location. And then click on Add. You can now choose a location on this PC to where you want your new downloads to be stored at. For me, in my case, my other drive already appeared right here, so I'm going to click on this. Then you're going to click on Add. And now for the next step, make sure that you're on the Storage tab. Now you're going to click on the drop down, and then select your new drive. Now you're going to click on the three dots, and then click on Make Default. And now the star will appear right here, indicating that it's a default drive. Steam will default to installing content on this hard drive. And if we click on the three dots, we have some more options like Rename Library, Browse Folder, and Repair Library. And then once you've done that, if we go to our Steam library, then we want to install a new game. For example, I'm going to install this right here. We will now be seeing our new drive right here, which you can then install it to.